Hey everybody, this is Irish, and I just got a request to do a video on how to set up a Minecraft server on the Mac. I'm going to go ahead and do Bukkit. I might as well show a vanilla server. Maybe I'll do it this server or this one as well. You're going to need go ahead and head to the Minecraft.net download page, Minecraft.net/download. You're going to come down here to multiplayer server. This is going to be for a Mac. I'll probably put out a PC one later this week. We're going to go ahead and download Minecraft server.jar. Go ahead and download it since I don't have a fresh one. We're going to need this code for later. So you can go ahead and copy that. It'll be in the description. And then I'm going to go ahead and also do the one for the Bukkit forums. From the Bukkit forums, this one will allow you to install mods, etc., plugins that allow you to really change the gameplay of Minecraft. I'm going to go ahead and download that too since I don't have it for some reason. Well, now I have that. And I've got the two down here in my downloads folder. Go ahead and drag those to the desktop. Oop, where is the other one? Oh, there we go. Just finished downloading. So now I have these two .jar files. But these jar files won't open if you just click on them. It'll say like, oh, you get an error message or something. The error message is like it can't run Java or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and make a new folder. I've already made one. I'm gonna make another one for that one, Bukkit demo. Go ahead and drag that one in there for later. I'll start off with the vanilla. So go ahead and you need to place a fresh copy of the Minecraft server.jar right into your demo folder there. And open up Terminal. Terminal can be found in Applications, Utilities. Oop. I just opened Podcast Publisher. That was not pro. That was stupid. Yes, I would like to quit this. Go away. Alright. So yeah, Applications, Utilities, it's right there. If yours doesn't look like this, it'll normally look like this. I just changed the color on mine. And go ahead, CD space, desktop. You might want to zoom in here. I'll go ahead and make this bigger so you can see it. But the best thing to do is to put it on the desktop because it will be easier to find. Go ahead and change the directory to desktop, then change it to whatever the folder is called. I like to keep it one word since you don't have to worry about like spacing and all the other crap that Terminal doesn't like. Go ahead and paste in that code from earlier. Java, Xmx1024M, Xms1024M, jar, Minecraft server.jar, nogui. That's just going to say, alright, run this file and give it a minimum of 1 GB and a maximum of 1 GB of RAM to run. Oop. Just go ahead and press enter. And it's going to go ahead and give you all this like warning and info, and then it's going to prepare a spawn area. This is all normal. It's just setting up the files. Once you get done right here, you go ahead and type in stop. Now go ahead and stop it. And once you get back your alright, still stopping, but there we go. And you get back your bash file prompt instead of the Java prompt. And you see it'll generate all these files. Let me do it on time here. I'm alright. So server.properties, go ahead and open that and text edit. You can change like what it will say. Game mode, 0 is creative, 1 is or 0 is survival, 1 is creative. Difficulty, easy, medium, hard, 1 through 3. Spawn animals, whitelist. You can change. You can set it so that only certain people can enter that you specify. You can change that in the whitelist.txt file. Like view distance, I like to keep that at 8 or 9. Max players, I usually put at 15, or else it gets a little crowded. Level seed and server IP, you don't usually have to mess with these unless you're going to host multiple, or no, you don't need to mess with these at all unless you want to have a custom seed. Server port, don't mess with this because unless you're going to host multiple servers, then you don't want to mess with that. Allow flight, I usually keep to true. Enable query, you don't need to change that. Allow nether, go ahead and save that. I will not be going over port forwarding in this video because all the routers are different and I really don't want to have to go through all that since everyone can have different types of routers. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my desktop here. cd ... send you back up one level. Now if I run this, it would play fine, but I'm going to go ahead and get into Bukkit since I'm getting short on time here. Same thing, cd space whatever your file is named. Same code as before. What we're going to do is we're going to change Minecraft server. Actually, real quick, I'm going to go ahead and change the name of the Bukkit plugin. You're going to want to do this too. Make it easier so you don't need this recommended build in 1.2.5. Just craftbukkit.jar. Keep it simple. Craft. All these codes will be in the description, so you can just copy and paste. But we're going to go ahead and run that. It's going to give you some more of this preparing world. You can go ahead and do this in a different window if you want to, but yeah, might as well just do it in the same one if you're going to set it for both. It's going to go ahead and generate 3 worlds instead of one of them being the nether, one of them being the end, and one of them being the normal top world. As you can see, it finished generating all those. Hit stop. You'll stop it just like last time. And you get more stuff, but you can see you get more stuff than you had last time with just the vanilla. This one's like for 8 items. This one's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 14. Most of them do the same things. You'll never have to change Bukkit .yml. I've never had to change it. All my servers work fine. Craftbukkit.jar, your standard plugin. Help YML, you don't need to change that either. Ops is the same over here. Permissions, if you want to go ahead and change that, that's fine. I usually don't mess with it. This is the most interesting folder right here. It's called plugins. And this folder, I will make a separate video on this, like how to install plugins and different plugins that I like to use, etc. But this is the folder where you're going to go ahead and put all of those .jar files that will really change the core gameplay of Minecraft, like adding locks to doors and chests, or creating gigantic death cubes over the spawn, or mini games, all kinds of stuff. Extra animals, you name it. All those you can find on the Bukkit forums. Let's see how I'm doing on time. Alright, I'm getting low on time. But all these plugins you can find on the Bukkit Bukkit forums, bukkit.org, get plugins. You got a whole list of them. Search through them. Anti-griefing, economy. That's really nice. I like economy ones. World editing tools. You can actually add full RPGs into it. It's really a nice. Bukkit's a really nice community. If you have problems, I'm pretty sure they do have a forum that, yes, they do. They do have a forum that if you sign up with them, you can go ahead and ask questions and stuff. People will direct you to that. They have their own wiki page. If you ever need help, you can go ahead and go over there. So I think that pretty much does it for this tutorial. My name's Irish, and I'll see you next time.